Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo people, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So Virgo people, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. Now let's start the reading. Two of Wands. Lot of waiting for you, Virgo. You are waiting for something. You are waiting for someone to come. You are waiting for you to move somewhere. Okay, something is there for which you are waiting. Either you are waiting for somebody to come into your life. Either you are waiting for your person to come into your life, or perhaps you are waiting to move out from your current place. Something is there. Some movement is happening. And if not some move, you can expect some kind of a movement in your life. Okay, so perhaps you are waiting for the right time, you are waiting for the correct situations to move ahead. Plus with this card, I feel that some of you also could be waiting for your person, and with this card I'm seeing that most of you must be going through, or most of you must be in the long distance relationship. Okay, you are not able to meet your person. That's why this could be one of the reasons that you are waiting for your partner to come into your life. Alright, so a lot of waiting for you is there, Virgo. Now let's see what is your partner's current energy. 10 of Cups. Okay, with this card it seems like a person is enjoying the best time of their life right now. Okay, it could be with you, it could be without you. Something is there. Perhaps they are enjoying the best family time right now with their friends, with their family, with their siblings and all that. Or perhaps for most of you, or perhaps for the people who are into long distance relationship or into normal relationship, it seems like your person feels happy and prosperous in your company. Okay, so it could happen that whenever they see you as someone who fills their life with a lot of love, emotion, affection and joy. Okay, now let's see, Virgo, what do you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you can take towards them, and what actions they can take towards you. Okay, how you see them, how they see you, what actions you can take towards them, and what actions they can take towards you. Guilt. You see them as somebody who is going through a lot of guilt factor in their life. This could be because of you, and this could be because of their own personal life or their own professional life. So you see them as someone who has a lot of guilt factors in their life. Okay, perhaps they must have not done something which was asked them to do by their own family members, or by their own peers, or by their own managers and all that. But yes, you also see them as someone who deep down they have a lot of guilt in their heart and mind, but they do not show it to the other person, they do not show it to the world, what guilt they carry inside them. Okay, so if somebody will see them, they will see a very happy-go-lucky kind of a person, but deep down they have their own guilts. So that's how you see them. Now let's see how your person sees you. Playfulness. Alright, on the other hand, your person feels about you, Virgo, that you are someone who takes life the way it comes to you. Okay, you are not someone who is rigid. Okay, you are not someone who is a stubborn-minded person. Okay, you take what comes in your life. You are someone who go with the flow. Okay, even though you have your own set of insecurities, or you have your own set of priorities, your own set of fear, but still you feel that you have got only one life. Okay, so you should spread love and positivity in the world as much as you can do. So that's how your person sees you, Virgo. Now let's see what actions you can take towards them. Past lives. Okay, with this card it seems like you want your person to move out from their past life karmas. Okay, that's why your deep down, this is the reason you see them as somebody who is holding a lot of grudges inside them. Okay, so it seems like you want them to move out from their past karmas, okay, whatever they had done in past, whatever they had done in, whatever bad things they had done with other people. So you want them to feel sorry and to be sorry with the people, those who has, who your person has hurt, okay. All right, so this could be one of the reasons that you are waiting for your person to come. This could be one of the reasons that you are waiting here, because you want them to clear their past karmas, okay. Sharing. On the other hand, your person, the moment they have entered in your life, they have lightened a very positivity in your life, joy in your life, lot of emotions in your life. They are somebody who always loves to give you, okay, who always loves to share their blessings with you. They do not afraid to share their good times and bad times with you. So they are here to share their good karmas, good deeds, good emotions, whatever blessings they have earned so far in life. So they are basically here to share such positivity in positivity with you, okay. So yeah, this person is very much into action towards you, okay. They are sharing their thoughts, they are sharing their feelings, they are sharing everything with you, okay. Now let's see, Virgo, what future is holding for both of you. What future is holding for both of you. The Chariot. All right. See, everyone has their own past, everyone has their own good and bad deeds, and after seeing this card, the Chariot, it seems like your person, they also know that they had done something wrong with somebody else or someone else, okay. They know what they have, they know their past, they have their own regrets in life, they have their own guilts in life, but apart from that, they have the positive aspect, or they have the positive personality too, so you cannot deny that, okay. So with this Chariot card, they are rushing towards you, that's what I'm seeing, okay. They just want to meet you, they just want to be with you. So this is the reason they are coming towards you with their all good and bad qualities, good and bad traits, good and bad deeds. It's up to you whether how you are going to accept them. All right, okay. So Virgo, in this reading, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign also in this reading. Alright. And some of you could be dealing with Cancer too. Okay. So Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.